pissing. So I just went by the mannequin piss. It's a piss statue. It's a piss boy. Guy's little boy peeing. From my knowledge, there's like a bunch of different fabled histories of like where it actually comes from, who it's honoring, but I don't think any of it's true. So choose your own adventure. Why is he pissing? Why is the piss boy pissing? Oh, sweet. You think I'd fit in with this tour? I'm with this tour group in Brussels today. Yeah, I'm glad I walked back here because this is really cool during the day. I'll tell you, they're right about the name. This really is a grand place. It's like 11 a.m. I don't know if that's too early to start yugging beers yet, but I think that's my whole plan. I'm looking at the cafes. It doesn't look like anyone's drinking it down yet, so I might wait an hour.
A few moments later.
I got this big ass beer here, so that's exciting. Yeah, it's good stuff. I mean, honestly, like, great day for guys named Anthony Bolzano. All right, here we go. Moules-frites, my favorite. Moules-frites. So these are mussels with like a cream garlic sauce. Hard to do it one-handed. Oh my god. Oh my god. So fucking good. Get the cream on the fry. Yeah. I'm telling you, gang. Sometimes you just gotta go off program, you know? Is this the normal recovery protocol for a strongman competition? Probably not. Does it work? Yes, I guarantee it. Yeah, I mean, after this, I'm fueled up. I got some good protein in me. Good, whatever nutrients are in the muscles. Get out of here. Get out of here, bumblebee. Yeah, come on. So good. I'm so happy I did this. Originally, I was just going to go straight home from a competition. But I'm like, I figured I made it out here. May as well do some cool stuff. Oh my god. I got one of these Austin, Texas scooters. Beautiful church. It's a beautiful day. I just couldn't really film much of that ride because, well, I was on a scooter, and I think that'd be more dangerous than one-handing it with the bike like I normally do. So I didn't do that. Full-on convenience store. More than that, fresh groceries and stuff in this subway station.
Ouais, je suis là. Oui. Oui. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Quoi tu veux? Les vidanges sont déjà au-dessus ou pas? Une autre.
Cartel Riz. All right. Honestly, like, I noticed this last time I was in Europe. Way more zero sugar options. cool. It's a subway station office. Yeah, so I've heard there's a historic tram line that goes through the forest. And as a person that thinks trams are the most elite form of public transportation, I figured that would be a fun thing for me to go see. So that's what I'm going to do. It sounds historic. Christ. I'm going to review the Tutti Frutti. Fanta Tutti Frutti. A lot of pineapple, a little cherry. You can taste the lemon. Yeah, this is a fruit punch. Pretty solid. It's a Fanta Zero, dude. Fanta, whatever. Okay, I'm a connoisseur of convenience store snacks. I have no clue other than the name had Riz in it. Yeah, it's really good. This is a quality gas station snack, basically. With a little custard on the inside. Yeah, it's a good snack. Okay, so now we're like in the forest. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't really know where this ends up, but we'll find out. This is where the tram line ended. So what I gathered is this was like an estate that the king had in the 1800s. It was some kind of colonialism battle. They killed a bunch of people in the Congo. So the museum and the whole everything, estate and all that was made to like commemorate it and apologize for being colonists. Yeah, good bathroom though, clean. So keep it up, Africa Museum. Yeah, lesson learned here is take public transit to random places. Sometimes you'll wind up in very dangerous places. Other times you'll wind up at a beautiful museum. Bad advice. I didn't really have an itinerary. I'm just here, so cool outcome of going on the historic tram. Now I'm gonna get back on the historic tram and yeah, see what else happens. So I came to the tram museum. It's closed. Whatever. It's just trams. It's not like I just said it's the most elite form of public transportation. Sure. I see how it is. No big deal. There's a train museum in a different part of town. I don't know if I'm going to go to that. But this just happened to be on the tram line of the historic tram. Got a different one. Look, the handlebar is crooked. You can't. It's slightly crooked. It's fucking me up. Anyway. Let's ride. I think the bike is the best way to wander around the city. You can cover a lot of ground and stop easily, relatively cheap. Going up a bit of a hill. Luckily it's an e-bike. sound it's making I don't like. It might be running out of battery. This is not recommended. Also, I think I'm way over the weight limit, the website says, but what do they know? Oh, dude. Oh my God. Beautiful use for a roundabout. Really sketchy going over the cobblestone on one hand with this thing. I'm just thriving right now, gang. Like, this is so cool. This weather is perfect. I am such a lucky boy. Quite a view. Oh, it's cobblestone. Sketchy. Thumb is still on the throttle. I don't care. Yeah, so I went to the military museum, and the guy said we close soon, but go look at the aviation hall. So here I am. Wow. Anyway, this was a pretty cool military museum if you're into that stuff. It had a really wide variety of different eras of war, if you will. Stuff went back to medieval times, World War I, World War II. A lot of historical stuff happened in Belgium, so there were a lot of artifacts in this museum. So, yeah, I mean, not much else to say. I'm not going to do a whole rundown. It was a cool museum. Okay. It is now nighttime. I'm honestly sore as fuck from competition now, walking all day, yesterday, today. But I'm here, I gotta make the most of it, so I'm gonna go towards the city center again. I wasn't gonna film this, but this is so good I have to now. So I'm at an Asian restaurant here. The Peking duck and crispy pork belly platter. It's guys, a hole in the wall Asian restaurant has never failed me ever. I know this isn't the ethnic cuisine of choice when you come to Brussels. I don't give a fuck. Not many things are better than this. There's some rice rolls here too. The Asians have never failed me. If you see a late night hole in the wall Asian establishment around, go. Oh my god, this is an insane meal. I'm gonna get a beer, maybe 2 beers, maybe 3, and probably stop there because I'm a responsible drinker. Brewski. It's pretty good. It's like he said it's a wheat beer. It's good. You know what it is? I actually only had that 1 beer, and I sat there and just vibed out. Was a satisfying experience. I went to like a little convenience store and got chocolate milk and a bunch of waters. And that's gonna be my snack before I go to bed. All right, see ya. Thanks for watching, everybody. I didn't actually film an outro to this video. I just filmed myself drinking chocolate milk in front of my hotel. So I guess that's it. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Got another one coming out soon. All right, see ya. Bye.